everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate probabilities of a normal distribution. The standard normal distribution, or the Z distribution, is a special normal distribution with a mean mu of 0 and a standard deviation sigma of 1. The formula to calculate the probabilities of a normal distribution is Z equals x minus mean over sigma, or standard deviation. For example, the salaries of employees at XYZ Corporation follow a normal distribution with a mean of 60,000 and a standard deviation of 7,500. What proportion of employees earn approximately between 69,000 and 78,000? So let X represents the salaries of employees at XYZ Corporation. So we want to determine the probability that X is between 69,000 and 78,000. To approximate this probability, the 69,000 and 78,000 should be converted to standardized values, or the Z-scores. So in the given problem, the X is equals to 69,000 and the mean is equals to 60,000 and the standard deviation, or sigma, is equals to 7,500. This time, the X should be equals to 78,000. So 78,000 minus mean 60,000 over standard deviation of 7,500 is equals to 2.4. We then have to determine the probability that Z is between 1.2 and 2.4. So 1.2 is less than Z 2.4 is equals to Z is less than 2.4 minus Z is less than 1.2. So 1.2 is less than Z 2.4 is equals to blank. We have to use the normal distribution table to calculate the probabilities. We then go to the Z table and look at the area for the Z column, which is Z equals 2.4. So 2.4 is equals to 0.9918. Next is Z equals 1.2, which is 0.8849. So 0.9918 minus 0.8849 is equals to 0.107. So the proportion of employees who earn between 69,000 and 78,000 is 0.107.